Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Audi A6 C6 4F 3 liters TDI. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay compartment. It's located right there. To remove the fuel filter, first we need to disconnect those fuel lines. There's two fuel lines that we need to remove the metal clamps on, and then another fuel line connecting that has another metal clamp on. We need to pull that out, and then a nut on the side that we need to loosen. First we start by removing the two metal clamps on the two rear fuel lines. Now we're going to pull out the two fuel lines. Next we're going to remove the other metal clamp, which is right there. I'm going to use a screwdriver just to lift it up a little bit, and then we'll pull it out. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now I'm going to pull out this plastic in between the two fuel lines. Next I'm going to get a wrench and loosen the nut on that's holding the fuel filter in place. We don't need to remove it completely, we just need to loosen it. Now that the nut is loosened enough, we're going to pull out the fuel filter. That's the fuel filter out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new fuel filter that I'm going to use. Putting on the new fuel filter is in the exactly reverse way. First we're going to put it in its place, and then we're going to put the fuel lines on. Now when you put this plastic part of the fuel line, you need to push it in all the way until you feel it goes, until it clicks into position, and then you can put the metal clamp on, and the other two fuel lines, you just push them all the way. Next we're going to tighten the nut holding the fuel filter in place, and that's the fuel filter replaced. Next we're gonna go into the car and prime the fuel system and then start the car. To prime the fuel system, I'm going to use a scan tool and I'm going to activate the fuel pump relay, and that's how the fuel pump is going to bleed the fuel system. To activate it, I'm going to go on my scan tool into engine electronics, and then I'm going to go into actuation test, and then I go read by list and fuel pump relay, and then next I'm going to follow the instructions. And now it says actuation test is in process, pump on, which means the fuel pump relay is on, so the fuel system is being primed. If you don't have a scan tool, you can just turn on and off the ignition about 10-15 times and then start the engine, but it's much better doing it with a scan tool. You need to leave the fuel pump running for about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes, and then you can start the car. We can see it on the information, it says pump on, pump off. That means the fuel pump relay is being activated, then it's stopped, then it's activated again, and then it's stopped. And like that until the whole fuel system is bled. Okay, the process ended, so that means the fuel system is being primed. Next I'm going to start the car. When you start the car, you can press the accelerator for a little bit just in case, just to go to 3000 RPM, maybe hold it for a little bit, and then you can turn off the car. And that's how you bleed the fuel system and replace the fuel filter. Hopefully the video is helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.